twist this part around and around.
Looks like
Or you cannot twist it. If you want the bun big and poofy, you don't have to twist it. It depends on your own style. My name's Tanika Bundy, and I am an EPA sub, and I work with the pre-primaries right now. It's something that's popular in Africa, and I like to wear it to show my African pride.
She taught people how to do tying scarves, and she did one on me.
It's something that I do outside of school, or I do a workshop series called Lovin Our Locks. It's more information included about loving your hair, easy ways to manage it. So I just had the idea to bring it to school since it's African Heritage Month. Why do you take these two ends? I showed them a few styles and then let them practice. I thought it would be really good for them to be able to do it hands-on.
I learned a lot. How to do this.
I don't use scarves very often. I want to start using them for messy hair days.
I learned how to put on a do-rag because I never really wear a do-rag because I got too much hair.
It's rare that I'll do wraps. Like sometimes I've tried and it's never like really worked out. So this is great, yeah.
Yeah, it was just fun.
I'm almost 61, and like some of the younger ones in grade 3 were teaching me how to tie the stuff on my head, and then I was teaching them what I knew. And it's so nice because we've got such a mix of children in there, and they're having a great time. When I wear mine and I walk in the room, I feel very proud. I think there are some kids that, may be part of their cultural dress that they would have at home with their families, but I think sometimes maybe they're kind of shy to express it in school because they might look different than the other kids. So I think maybe doing something like this might help those kids to want to express where they've come from and to be able to share that with others.
I learned a little bit about my ancestors and stuff. They use these to protect their hair.
I feel like a princess.
And if I put on a plain outfit and I put on a head wrap, I feel beautiful, and it makes me feel like a queen, especially when I have it all up, wrapped and covered. It makes me feel really good. So I just thought the kids might enjoy that and learning how to do it. The flat end across the back of your hair, you would take it right down to your neck, and then you pull those two out. I hope they took away a sense of pride and willingness to try new things that maybe they weren't willing to try at school because they were maybe worried about what their friends thought. I like to wear it so people know that I'm proud of who I am.
Learning styles like the scarves and the wraps, that's very important to me to come here. I really like it.
They were really eager to practice and to learn, and it was really, really enjoyable to see all their smiling faces.